प्रोग्राम में हमने काफ़ी सारी चीज़ों के बारे में सीखा। आइए जानते हैं मैटर की स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट एटम और स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में, और जानते हैं हेरिडिटी एक्सचेंज करने वाले डीएनए के बारे में। सो हेयर वी हैव प्रतिज्ञा एंड चांदनी, प्लीज़ प्रोसीड द प्रोग्राम।
Each material has the smallest unit that is called atom. So it's time for atomic structure. Now I want to request Ayaz and Arsh from class 9.
Hello. Good afternoon, respected manager sir, manager ma'am, principal, vice principal, teachers and all parents and all my dear friends. I am Ayaz.
And I am Arshad.
We are in class 9. Here, I am going to explain the structure of atomic model, what it is and how it works. Atom consists of an extremely small positively charged nucleus surrounded by cloud of the negatively charged electron. Although typically the nucleus contains more than 99.9% of the mass of the atom. The history of atomic structure and quantum mechanics date back to the times of Democritus, the person who first proposed that matter is composed of atom. Thank you.
The study of the structure of an atom gives a great insight into the entire class of chemical reaction bonds and their physical properties. The first scientific theory of atomic structure was proposed by John Dalton 1800 century. As you can see here, model which represent the structure of atomic model. The atomic structure refers to the structure of an atom comprising to the nucleus center, in which proton positively charged and neutron natural are present the negatively charged. Particle called electron revolve around the center of the nucleus. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ayaz and Arshad, for your atomic structure presentation here.